Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fish nuggets at home. Start by cutting 1 lb firm white fish into bite-sized pieces and pat them dry. Season with salt and a pinch of black pepper, then set up 3 bowls for flour, 2 beaten eggs, and 1 cup of breadcrumbs or panko. Dredge each piece in flour, dip in egg, then coat in breadcrumbs before frying or baking until golden and cooked through. I will walk you through coating so your nuggets are crispy and not soggy. Mix 1 cup breadcrumbs with seasoning like paprika and garlic powder, and season 1 cup flour similarly. Dip fish pieces into flour first to help egg stick, then into 2 beaten eggs, and finally into breadcrumbs, pressing gently to adhere. Chill the coated pieces for 10 minutes to set the crust, which reduces lost coating during cooking. Now let's talk cooking options so you can match time and texture. For classic result, pan fry in 1/4 cup oil per batch, cooking 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden. For an easier cleanup, bake at 425 degrees F for 12 to 15 minutes, flipping once. If you prefer less oil, air fry at 400 degrees F for 8 to 10 minutes for crisp edges. Finish with a squeeze of lemon and serve with your favorite dip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.